Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring MX Player is updated and the video file is accessible. This prevents codec bugs. Once done, play the file and tap the screen to reveal controls because you need the on-screen audio sync tool. Use the audio delay option to nudge sound by small amounts. Press the dedicated plus or keys or enter a precise millisecond value if available. Make sure you test short segments repeatedly. Small increments reveal direction and magnitude of correction. Next, change the decoder. Switch from hardware to software decoding or vice versa because some devices mishandle audio timing in HW mode. After switching, play the same scene and reapply the audio delay adjustment. This often fixes drift caused by frame drop. Also check the audio track selection. Choose a different track if multiple exist, since embedded tracks can be misaligned. Make sure to toggle settings like Keep Audio Sync and observe whether timing stabilizes over several minutes. To finish, clear MX Player cache or reinstall if your adjustments don't persist, because corrupted app data can block fixes. If playback still lags, remux or re-encode the file with a media tool to force-correct timestamps. This resolves deep timing errors. Once complete, reopen MX Player and verify sync across the whole file. Troubleshooting tip: if problems remain, play the same file in VLC or convert the audio sample rate. This confirms whether it's the file or the player causing the delay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.